I'm quite privileged and happy to uh, be here, and at the same time to play for Sri Lanka for such a long time. I thoroughly enjoyed all those moments. The decision for me to retire was something that I have been thinking about for some time, and came to a point that I felt that for me the right time was right. It was just a gut feeling, but I've always gone with my gut feeling. So I believe that given the fact that we don't have any home test cricket for another 12 months, it's time for a new generation to take over and move on. And I will try and help that rebuilding process. I'm a Sri Lankan, that's it. I play with a lot of pride representing my country. I have the passion, the same passion that the fans have, the same passion that the fellow cricketers have, the same passion that the entire nation has. So it's quite easy to play for a country like that.